Welcome back, guys, to our DSA challenge series. This is the phase 2 of our series, and the questions that we are tackling in this series are based on binary search and 2D arrays. The question that we are going to look today is based on 2D arrays, and the question is spiral matrix. The question says, given an m cross n matrix, and we need to return all the elements of the matrix in the spiral order. So let us understand this question with the help of an example. Here we are given an m cross n matrix, that is 3 cross 3 matrix. Now we need to print the elements in the spiral order. What do we mean by spiral order? We need to first traverse the entire row, that is 1, 2, 3. Then the last column, that is 3, 6, 9. Then the last row, again 9, 8, 7. In this order, we need to traverse each and every element of the matrix. So the output will look like 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 8, 7, 4, 5. In this way, we are traveling to each and every element of the matrix in the spiral order. So let us see the approach of this particular question. What we are going to do, we are going to maintain 4 pointers, left, right, top, and bottom, in order to keep the track of the boundaries of the current spiral. With this, we means the pointer. So we will make 4 pointers, left, right, top, and bottom, in order to keep the track of the boundaries of our current spiral. Current spiral means at which particular element the spiral is pointing to. After that, we are going to iterate through the matrix in all the 4 directions, right, down, left, and up, updating the pointers accordingly. When we will traverse, we will keep updating the pointers that we have initialized, that is left, right, top, and bottom. And we will keep on continuing the process until we have covered the entire matrix. It means until we have reached to each and every element of the matrix, we will keep on continuing this process. So we have to do it in a loop. So these were 3 steps. And since we are going to traverse each and every element once, so the time complexity of this particular code is going to be big O of m cross n. M cross n is the size of the particular matrix. So let us see the code now for better clarity. What we have done in line number 4 is, we have initialized, in line number 4 and 5, we have initialized the pointers left, right, top, and bottom. We have initialized left and top with 0, and right and bottom with the last index of the row as well as the column. That is right with matrix at the index of 0 dot size, which indicates the number of columns, that is n. M cross n में n denote कर रहा है matrix at the index of 0 dot size. So we have initialized right with matrix at the index of 0 dot size minus 1, and bottom with matrix dot size minus 1. Matrix dot size denotes m. We have also made the vector int res, in which we are going to store the vector which we will return at the end. So in this vector, we are going to store the elements that we are traversing in the spiral order. So these were the data types that we have initialized. Then in line number 8, we have applied the loop of while loop. In while loop, we need to specify the condition. So the condition that we have specified is top is less than equal to bottom, and left should be less than equal to right. If both of these conditions are true, then only we will continue in the loop. Then we will traverse in all the 4 directions, that is left to right, top to bottom, right to left, and bottom to top. So for that, we have made the loops. So first of all, we will traverse from left to right. Then for that, we have made the loop for int I equals to left, I less than equal to right, I plus plus from line number 10 to 12. Then we will increment the top pointer. Then we will travel from top to bottom, traverse from top to bottom from line number 15 to line number 17 using the for loop. Then we will decrement the right pointer. After that, we will check one condition. If top is less than equal to bottom, then we will traverse from right to left. And then we will decrement the bottom pointer. And in line number 26, we will check if the left is less than equal to right. Then it means we can traverse from bottom to top. So in line number 27 to 30, we have done that. After that, we have incremented the left pointer. After that, we have returned the res vector in which we have stored the elements traversed in spiral. So I hope the question is clear to you all. If yes, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.